Hey everybody, it's Trent again. So I've got a Tesla Model 3, a 2008 mid-year, and when I turn the AC on, it has a slightly odd smell. I've replaced the filters twice since I bought it in 50,000 miles and 4-point-something years. And the problem has come back, usually when it rains hard and the car's outside. And so I'm currently using these activated carbon filters here. I'm letting radiation. And what I'm doing while it's doing that is I've got an ozone generator here. And I am blowing ozone up through here, right into the port where the filter goes. I might get some more light on that. Going right into that hole where the filter goes, see? And it doesn't smell great, it smells like ozone. I have an air quality meter here, but I don't think it detects ozone. Doesn't appear to, at least. Anyway, I wanted to show you the ozone generator's box real quick, in case you're interested. It's right here. And I'm pretty sure it was like an Amazon type product. And one more thing I did is after I took the air filters out, I sprayed hydrogen peroxide in through that hole, and I soaked the hole inside the car where the filters were, and I soaked that whole area with peroxide and then let it completely dry before I put the ozone generator in. Anyway, I hope this solves my problem, and I just wanted to share it.